Good morning, students. Now let us see our exercise, that is 3.1. See, the question is, find the range of height of any 10 students of your class. Means random any 10 students height we have to take. So let us assume, let's the height in centimeter of 10 students of our class be 125 centimeter, 127, 132, 133, 134, 136, 138, 144, 144 and 146. From this, what we have to see, we have to first see the highest height of the students and the lowest height of the students. So highest value among this observation is, you can see that 146 is the highest number among the given and lowest is 125. So how we will find the range? Range equal to highest value minus lowest value. Highest value means 146 minus 125 into the bracket, and outside we will write centimeter. Then 146 minus 125 will be 21 centimeter. So our range for the highest of the 10 students will be 21 centimeter. Now let's move on to second question. See this. See the second question. What is given? Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. Means some marks are given, you can see 4 6 7 3 5 4 5 2 6 and so on. Some questions are given, which number is the highest, which number is the lowest. Means first we have to find which number is highest and which number is lowest. See here, first we will write the number of marks from 1 to, which is the highest marks scored, 9. So from 1 to 9 we have to write the marks. You can see from 1 to 9. See here, you can see here from 1 to 9 it is marked. Then what you have to see, you have to see here the numbers. First number is 4, so it one telemark will come in 4. Second number is in 6, so one number will come in 6. Then 7, so one telemark will come in 7. 5, then again in 5. Same way you have to see all these numbers and you have to mark the tally here. Now you have to see, count the total number of numbers. See, 1 is only 1, so here 1, 2 is 2, 3 is again 1, 4 is 3, 5 is 5, 6 is 4, 7 is 2, 8 is 1 and 9 is also 1. So from this number we can get the highest and lowest value. See here now. You can see the highest and lowest value. See here. See, highest number is 9, and in 9 how many telemarks are there? 1. So lowest number is 1. So again we are going to find the range. Range, what is the formula of range? Highest minus lowest. So highest is 9 and lowest is 1. So highest minus lowest will be, our answer will be 8. See, sum of all the observation, then we have to find sum of all the observation. Means we have to add all the numbers and divide by total number of observation. Total number of observation means we have to count the numbers like 4 6 7. So 1 2 3 4, like this you have to count how many numbers are there. So by adding this 4 6 7 5 3 and all, we got the sum is 100. And then total number of observation is 20, means there are 20 numbers and which in addition they are in 100. So arithmetic mean, we are going to find this. I have already explained in the video. Sum of all the observation means this all number is added, which is 100, and total number of observation is 20. Now we have to divide. 100 divided by 20. So 0 0 will get cut. 2 ones are and 2 5s are. See here. See here, 0 0 will get cut and 2 ones are and 2 5s are. So our answer will be 5. You got how to do this? It is very easy. We have already done this in previous class in data handling. Now see the third question. Find the mean of the first 5 whole number. Means first 5 whole number we have to find the mean. See, first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to add this all the numbers. See, we are going to add this numbers. So it will be 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And divide by how many number of observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So down we are going to write 5. So we are going to plus this plus 4 plus 1 5 and 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 5 10. So 10 divided by 5. This will be 5 1s and 5 2s. So here our answer will be 2. Therefore mean equal to first 5 whole number is 2. See the fourth question. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. A cricketer is playing a cricket and he is scoring the runs in 8 innings. So how many innings are there? See here there are 8 innings. And how much he is scoring? 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0 and 100. These are the innings. Find the mean score. We have to find the mean score. See, runs scored by the cricketer we have already seen. So mean score, what is the formula for mean score will be total runs scored in all innings divided by total number of innings, means number of observations. So 58 plus 76, we have to add this all the numbers and we have to divide by 8. So it will be, see here, addition will be 400 and observation is 8. So 400 divided by 8 will be 5. 4 8 ones are and 8 fives are will be 40. If we will divide 8 by 400, we are going to get the answer 50. So therefore our mean score will be, mean score is 50. Understood? Yes. Now see here, you can see player, there are 4 players. Find the mean. Some scores are given. In game they have scored the following runs. Now see, find the mean to determine a average number of points scored per game. Means in one game how many they have scored, and to find the mean number of points per C, you would divide the total point 3 and 4. This you have to do, you do by yourself. I am not going to do this. See the sixth one is also same, highest minus lowest, that also you can do. Let us see the seventh one, the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years. 6 consecutive years means 6 years. Find the mean enroll of the school for this years. Means you can see the number of years enroll in, here are the number of enrollments in 6 years. What we have to do, we have to add this numbers and we have to divide by number of observation, means 6 years means divide by 6. So mean enrollment addition will be 12,348 divided by 6, and we are going to, if we divide 6 by 12,346, we will get 2058. See students, 8th question is also similar. You have to find the mean. So I am not explaining this. We will see the last question, that is 9th one. The height of 10 girls were measured. This is also we have seen, but let us see what is the height of the tallest girl. So here the height of 10 girls are given. Arranging the height of 10 girls in ascending order. First we are going to arrange them in ascending order. So it will be very easy to find us the highest and the lowest value. So it is arranged, and highest of the tallest girl, height of the tallest girl is 151. You can see here that the height of the tallest girl is 151 and lowest is 128. See, height of the shortest girl is 128. Then to find the range, we have to see that 151 minus 128, that is 23. The range will be 23. Now we have to find the mean height of the second first question was tallest height and height of the shortest one. Now we will see the fourth one, that is range data also we have find. The third one is same. See here now, if we have find the mean and the range is 23 and mean height. Now we are going to see the mean height, that will be addition of all this observation and divide by 10. So the total is 1414 divided by 10 will be 141.4 centimeter. So mean height will be 141.4 centimeter. See the fifth one, the height of the 5 girls are greater than the mean height, that is 141.4 centimeter. These heights are 143, 146, 149, 150 and 151 centimeter. Understood? It is very easy, just you have to add the this heights and you have to divide by number of observation. In next video we will see the next exercise.